I am successful and self-sufficient. Girls like me. I provide my family with everything they need. I am handsome, smart, successful and rich. I am healthy, independent and happy. Nature has endowed me with good health, a sharp mind and a great sense of humor. The universe helps and protects me. Every day I get a lot of opportunities for self-expression and the realization of my life goals. I accept my body, it is powerful, strong, healthy and beautiful. I am successful and energetic, so I achieve everything I want. I am filled with vital energy every minute and become even better.